Welcome to SAM Official Tech, where we explore the remarkable advancements in technology and how they are shaping the way we work. In today's video, we're going to delve into how machines are not only making our lives easier but also driving productivity and innovation in various industries. From manufacturing to agriculture, healthcare to construction, these machines are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, helping businesses grow and scale at an unprecedented rate. Stick around as we explore 17 powerful ways machines are reshaping industries. Computer numerical control (CNC) machines are revolutionizing manufacturing with their ability to produce parts with extreme precision. From automotive to aerospace industries, CNC machines help cut, drill, and shape materials faster than manual methods ever could. This level of precision boosts productivity, reduces waste, and allows manufacturers to meet the growing demand for customized parts. Customer service has been transformed by AI-powered chatbots that can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously. These bots use natural language processing to understand customer needs, answer common questions, and even resolve issues autonomously. By implementing AI-driven customer service solutions, businesses can scale their customer support operations while reducing the need for human intervention. Agriculture has seen a major boost with the introduction of automated machines like smart tractors, seeders, and harvesters. Machines work with GPS and AI to optimize planting and harvesting schedules, ensuring that crops are planted, tended to, and harvested with minimal human effort. With automated equipment, farmers can scale their operations and increase crop yields with less manpower and resources. Unlike traditional industrial robots, collaborative robots (cobots) work alongside human employees, taking over repetitive or physically demanding tasks. These cobots enhance productivity by assisting workers with heavy lifting, assembly, and quality checks. By using cobots, companies can enhance safety, reduce fatigue, and scale production without increasing their workforce. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, has drastically changed how industries approach product development. This technology allows companies to quickly prototype new products, test designs, and create custom items on demand. Whether in healthcare, automotive, or consumer goods, 3D printing provides the flexibility to scale production lines without the need for expensive molds or setup costs. Supply chain management has become much more efficient with the introduction of automated systems that monitor and manage inventory in real time. These systems use AI and robotics to track stock levels, reorder supplies, and optimize warehouse operations. With automated supply chains, businesses can handle larger inventories, fulfill orders faster, and scale their distribution networks with ease. In the construction industry, drones are being used to survey land, monitor building progress, and inspect hard-to-reach areas. These flying machines provide real-time data, allowing project managers to make informed decisions quickly. Drones help construction companies keep projects on track, reduce labor costs, and scale operations by improving efficiency in every phase of the building process. In the finance sector, machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to predict market trends, detect fraud, and optimize investment portfolios. By leveraging AI, financial institutions can make more accurate decisions, manage risks more effectively, and scale their services to meet the growing demand for smarter financial solutions. Autonomous mining and excavation machines are transforming industries by allowing for continuous operation in harsh environments. These self-driving machines are equipped with sensors and AI to navigate and perform tasks such as drilling, blasting, and transporting materials. By using autonomous machinery, companies can scale their mining operations and improve safety without increasing labor costs. AI-powered marketing tools help businesses create personalized campaigns by analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. These tools allow companies to target specific audiences with tailored messages, improving engagement and conversion rates. With AI, marketers can scale their outreach efforts and achieve better results with fewer resources. Smart home devices, from thermostats to security systems, are transforming the way we interact with our living spaces. These machines are connected to the internet, enabling remote control and automation of home functions. With the growing adoption of smart home technology, businesses in the tech industry are able to scale product offerings, meeting the rising demand for more convenient and efficient living solutions. AI-powered machines in healthcare are revolutionizing the way doctors diagnose and treat patients. From imaging analysis to predictive analytics, AI helps medical professionals detect diseases early, choose the best treatments, and even perform surgeries with robotic precision. These advancements allow healthcare providers to scale their services and treat more patients with greater accuracy and efficiency. In industries like hospitality, healthcare, and manufacturing, automated cleaning systems are playing a vital role in maintaining hygiene standards. These robots can clean floors, disinfect rooms, and even sterilize equipment. By using automated cleaning systems, businesses can maintain cleanliness standards more consistently and scale their operations without relying on large cleaning crews. The rise of electric vehicles is transforming the transportation industry by offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional fuel-powered vehicles. EVs are equipped with advanced sensors and software, enabling autonomous driving and optimizing energy usage. With the adoption of EVs, businesses in logistics and transportation can scale their operations while reducing operational costs and carbon emissions. Automated warehousing solutions, including robotic pickers and conveyor systems, are transforming storage facilities. These machines are capable of retrieving, packing, and shipping products without human intervention. By implementing automated warehousing, businesses can scale their inventory management and distribution processes, handling more products with fewer errors and delays. Predictive analytics powered by AI allows companies to analyze historical data and forecast future trends. By identifying patterns, businesses can make more informed decisions on product development, marketing strategies, and resource allocation. With AI-driven insights, companies can scale their operations by staying ahead of market trends and consumer demands. Robotic-assisted surgery is revolutionizing the medical field by allowing surgeons to perform complex procedures with greater precision and control. These machines help reduce recovery time, minimize surgical risks, and improve patient outcomes. As robotic surgery becomes more widespread, healthcare facilities can scale their services, offering advanced treatments to more patients. That brings us to the end of today's video on SAM Official Tech. Machines are not just helping us work more efficiently, they're paving the way for innovation and growth across countless industries. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how machines are transforming the world of work, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.